Dust footsteps fading far away. Umbrella broke like all I've known. Can't remember what I prayed. City lights blur like tears. Each breath a ghost I fear. I'm just a shadow on the glass, wishing the storm would pass. Hope feels like a stranger now. Dreams like songs I don't know how. But in the silence, soft and true, I looked up and saw you. And there you were, the moon in the rain, a quiet light in all my pain. Though the world fell far, you stayed, reflected in the storm I made. I'm still alone, but not the same. You showed me beauty in the gray. I found my soul again in the moon, in the rain. The puddles shimmer like your eyes, soft silver stitched across the night. No words, no sound, just the sky holding me when I can't cry. They said light only lives in the sun, but here you are when there's none. No warmth, no flame, no grand parade, just quiet truth that doesn't fade. And there you were, the moon in the rain, not trying to fix, just stay. You didn't speak, but you remained when all my hope had drained. Still broken, still afraid, but somehow I felt safe to breathe again with the moon in the rain. Maybe I don't need the sun. Maybe healing starts undone. Maybe all this time I've chased what peace could be and still embrace. You stayed with me, the moon in the rain, a silent witness to my shame. Didn't promise brighter days, but lit the night in softer ways. And now I stand, not quite whole, but holding on to something gold. I'll walk again.